Hello everyone, I'm Nilanjan Bose, the professor of CIMAGE College, and this time I'm going to present an interesting video regarding confusing words. Students, in our daily life, there are so many words which sound similar, but actually meaning-wise, those words are different. Now, if I'm talking about the students of Aryabhata University in second semester, if they are the students of BCA or BBA, in Business English, there is a chapter which is known as confusing words. सो आज का इस वीडियो उन्हीं लोगों को डेडिकेट करते हुए इस वीडियो को हम अपलोड किए हैं एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू डू लॉट ऑफ गुड थिंग्स टू यू बिकॉज यू इफ यू कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑल these words then definitely it will be easier for you to handle the questions if the homophones or homonyms appear in the question paper, right? So in this particular video I have already incorporated a few words which are sounding similar, but actually they're meaning wise they're different, right? So after watching this video, you'll be in a better position to deal with the questions if those questions appear in the question paper related to homophones or homonyms in which you are supposed to differentiate the meaning of the words. So without wasting time, let's get started today's session and you will come to know that what are the first two words similar sounding, but actually meaning wise they're different. Here it comes, the first pair of words, M-I-E-N, mean, and M-E-A-N, mean. You are quite familiar with the second one, M-E-A-N. I mean to say that, I intend to say that. Second mean, M-E-A-N, it means to intend. So what is the meaning of the first one, M-I-E-N, that is also mean. Have you ever heard this particular word? If yes, that is fine. If not, then I'm here to let you know what is the meaning of the word like mean, M-I-E-N. It means look, your appearance, your disposition of a person, right? If we are talking about the mean of a person, it means that we are talking about the physical disposition or the look, your appearance of that particular person. So the first one, M-I-E-N, mean means look, your appearance, and second one mean means to intend. Let us move to the second pair of words. S-O-A-R, soar, and S-O-R-E, soar. Similar sounding. One second. The first one, S-O-A-R. We do often say that the prices of essential commodities, the price of essential commodities are soaring high. Soaring matlab increasing, बढ़ना, right? And the second one, S-O-R-E, the patient has been lying on the bed for a few days, so there is always a chance of getting bed sore. तो ये sore का मतलब क्या हुआ? Sore का मतलब हो गया wound या घाव या injury, right? So S-O-A-R, sore means increase, and S-O-R-E, sore means injury. Let us move to the third pair of words, official and officious. If we say that official, it means that related to office. And if we say that officious, it means that somebody who interferes in others' matters. Officious nature के होना, इसका मतलब किसी के matter में हस्तक्षेप करना, right? So official is formal and officious is the person who intervenes in others' matters. So I have discussed three different pair of words and you have come to know what are the differences between these two words. Actually, they are similar sounding, but meaning wise different. Let us know what are the other words in this video. Here comes the next set, and in which the first pair of words is O-R-E-O. What does it mean? If we say that O-R-E-O, it means that the thing from which the metal can be taken. Okay, the basic thing from which the metal can be taken. And O-A-R-O means it's a kind of long pole having flat or widened surface, which is used to row the boat to move through the water, right? अगर पानी में कोई आगे नाव को आगे लेके जाना है तो वहां पे आप इस्तेमाल करते हो एक लॉन्ग पोल का, जिसमें फ्लैट सरफेस होता है और सामने वाला को बैक साइड में पुल करते हुए नाव को आगे बढ़ाया जाता है. And O-R-E-O, it means that something material from which the metal can be taken, right? Moving to the next pair of words, B-A-I-L, bail, and B-A-L, bail. B-A-I-L, bail, what does it mean? If we say that B-A-I-L, bail, now what is the meaning of? So we do often say that the criminal, according to the order of the court, the criminal is on bail. इसका मतलब उसको जमानत मिल चुका है, right? So BAIL, bail, it means that जमानत, इंग्लिश में इसको सिक्योरिटी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, right? Now the second one is BLE bale. We often say that bale of cotton. Bale is actually a collective noun और ये cotton के साथ ज़्यादा use होता है. The bale of cotton. It means that cotton का जो एक झुंड है, right? Cotton का एक collection जो है. So bale means collection, right? Moving to the next pair of words, adverse and averse. What is the meaning of adverse? Adverse means something which is opposite, something which is reverse, something which is not favorable, right? Now, what do you mean by averse? Both the words almost identical by their sound, but actually they do have different kind of meaning. The next one is averse, A-V-E-R-S-E. What does it mean? इस averse का मतलब क्या होता है? Averse का मतलब आपका होता है यहाँ पे something which is opposite or adverse, something which is opposite to something, right? Averse means just reverse, yeah, opposite, and that is known as averse. Okay. Now, you can also call it against something. So these are the three pair of words which you have come to know that what are the differences between these two words, right? Let us move to the last set in which there will be three pairing words and we will come to know. The first one is, as you see, exhausting. It means tiring. The work, if we call the work is exhausting, it means that it will make you tired. So exhausting means tiring, and exhaustive means vast. If we talk about that exhaustive study material, it means comprehensive, yeah, vast, right? Moving to the next pair of words, vacation, it means holiday, and vocation, it means occupation, yeah, profession. वेकेशन मतलब हॉलीडे होता है और वोकेशन मतलब ऑक्यूपेशन, इसको पेशा बोलते हैं हम लोग, या यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉल इट प्रोफेशन. The last pair of words, that is tamper, T-A-M-P, or tamper, and T-E-M-P, or temper. Tamper means to disfigure something, okay? Most of the time, we do often say that Shoaib Akhtar is tampering with the ball. It means that he was trying to disfigure the particular ball. So tampering means disfiguring. What is the meaning of temper? It means mood. If we do often say that he is not in good temper, he is in bad temper, it means that he is talking about the mood of that particular person. So temper means mood, and tamper means to disfigure or twist something. So friends, I have tried different kind of pairing words. I have presented those words in front of you so that you can get through all these words, because from the examination perspective, these words are really, really important. And you must know that how to differentiate these two words, because most of the words are similar sounding, so you can be confused about it. Meaning wise, they differ a lot. So students, that's all from my side today. I'm quite sure that all of you must have understood that what are the differences between these two words, which are really, really common in our daily life. So thank you so much. Keep on practicing and do well in the examination. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.